Hey everyone, Stephen Hamby here with Pro PDR of Georgia. Today we're going to be working on a brand new F-150 all aluminum body. Has a pretty long crease, about 8 to 9 inches in the rear door. We have other videos showcasing repair on aluminum trucks, so the purpose of this video is not necessarily to prove that paintless dent repair can be done on aluminum. We've already shown that in previous videos. But this is kind of a unique situation in that a body shop has actually looked at this and claimed that it cannot be repaired with paintless dent repair, or at least not be repaired fully, which is not true. So I want to show you the damage and then we'll go through the repair process and have a look at the finished result, and you can be the judge for yourself. So just to prove that there's no camera trickery going on, we've actually marked out the crease here. We've put a line on the outer edges and dotted the area around it, which we will maintain during the entire repair. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do to repair this crease is we're going to put our protective cover over the glass to prevent scratching it during the repair. You can see it's got a felt backing on it, it's nice and smooth. We're going to slide it over the top of the glass, pry off the back side of the metal to shake this damage back out. And this will keep the glass nice and covered during the repair process. Now that we have the window wedged open, we actually have gone inside and felt around on the inside of this door, and we know that there's actually a support brace going right across the dent. So it's not wide open, it's actually covered up by a beam on the inside, a metal support brace. So we're gonna have to take skinny tools and actually slide over the top of that brace to repair that dent. Something similar to this. It's really thin. It's able to wedge in between the outer skin and that beam, and then we can leverage off of the beam to shape this damage back out. It's pretty cold out here today, and with this being aluminum, we're going to be heating the metal periodically to keep it nice and warm during the repair. Whatever dragged down the side of this door actually put a scratch on the surface as well. Fortunately, it had not gone through the clear coat down into the paint. It was just on the surface. So after getting the dent out, we actually wet sanded and buffed and was able to get all of that scratch mark back off as well. This is a view of the repair prior to wet sanding and buffing that scuff mark. You can see that there is no damage left. The metal is completely straight. You can look at all of the reflections off of the door and see that they're completely perfect. There's no wiggles or waves in the metal whatsoever. This was, as I said again, prior to wet sanding and buffing. Now here we did lose a little bit of the dotted line there because of the wet sand and buffing. I was not able to keep the buffing wheel strictly in the center without catching the bottom edge of that dotted line, but I think you can tell that this is the same door and the same area where the metal was creased. So overall, the repair turned out great. We were really thrilled with it, and the service department that had this truck was extremely happy as well. If you'd like to get in touch with us about scheduling your dent repair, you can give us a call at 678-544-3004, or you can visit us online at dentrepairgeorgia.com and click the Get a Free Quote button on the home page and fill out the form, and we will take care of the rest.